What's up, YouTube people? I'm about to switch out my nose cone on the Lowrance Ghost. Gonna make a short video and show you guys how to do it. It's pretty easy, just a couple steps. Anybody can do this, and make sure you hit that subscribe button. Give me a follow. Give me a bunch of videos after this one too. So the first thing that you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to take this plug out right here, and you're gonna want an Allen wrench that obviously fits that. But there's a bolt behind it, and it's going to take the same exact size. So now once that's loose, you're going to want to unhook the wire for the transducer. It's just a little half turn. You can see the little slot right there, it slides in. Now in the kit that the 3-to-1 nose cone comes with, it comes with new rubber gaskets and everything, but my trolling motor is pretty new, so I'm just going to keep the ones that are on it. If it's fairly old or you notice any rips or tears or whatever, I would probably replace those. So what you're going to do, you're going to reattach the transducer wire and make sure that this slot right here goes into the fin on the bottom. Make sure you're careful and wrap that wire in there real good. You don't want to bend anything. That'll slide right on like that. So now that we have the nose cone on, we're going to put in the new bolt. Make sure you have your rubber grommet or gasket on the outside. Make sure you snug that up real good. You want a nice tight seal. You don't want any water to get in there. If you have to use some vice grips or even if you use a socket set, that's fine too. Then make sure you reapply this outside rubber grommet. So once you get that all set, you're going to want to put your plug back in. I'm going to use the plug that was in the old one just because it still has some lube on it, and it won't be all seized up and might keep some water out. I didn't have any to put on the new one, so that's why I'm going to reuse this one. Tighten that up. Get it all nice and snug. And there you have it. 3-to-1 nose cone on your Lowrance Ghost. Easy as that.